If this is what's happening to your pivot table when you refresh it, then I have the solution for you. So as you can see, when I refresh my pivot table, I've lost all the formatting that I had on it. And I don't want this to happen to me every time. So here's how to fix it. The one thing that you need to do is to click on the column from your pivot table that you want to fix, right click and go to value field settings, and from over here, from this wizard that opens up, click on number format. And once you have clicked on number format, pick the right format from this list over here. In my case, I have money amount in there, so I'm going to select currency, and for the sake of this example, let's just change this to a different currency than the US dollar, for example the euro over here. I'm going to hit OK and OK again. And now you see my data has been formatted as euros. And if I go in my raw data and change something, then come back and refresh, only the underlying values have changed, but my formatting has stayed the same. So this is how to keep your pivot table format when you refresh. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment if you still have issues, and I'll try to help you out. And if you choose to subscribe, I'll see you in the next one.